Hello, everyone. This is my mobile computing proposal. Here we go. The fact of the matter is, the world is moving forward at a rapid pace. Every new thing on the market incorporates technology. If we don't do the same, we are behind the curve. A lot of these students will one day have jobs that today do not even exist. Yet the responsibility still falls on our shoulders to prepare them for their futures. Best way to do that is to introduce them to educational technology and familiarize them with its operation and its importance in the world today and the world of the future. The solution is to this issue is obviously for us to include technological resources in our teaching and learning. I propose that we begin with Google Chromebooks because Chromebooks are widely used in education today, and Google offers many teaching and learning platforms that could be useful in our classroom. The most useful of these will be Google Classroom. Google Classroom is a learning management system through which a teacher can create a class, add students that class via email, and post assignments, quizzes, surveys, or just general information for which each child in the class to view on their own device. Students, once in the class, simply log into their device, navigate to the correct class, as they can be in multiple, and view the work on that class feed. They then click the link, open the document, etc., and complete the assignment right there on Classroom. Other benefits of Google are the Google apps that will be on each device. This includes to the web browser Google Chrome, Docs, Slides, and Sheets, which are comparable to the well-known Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. One important thing to note about these Google apps is that they allow for easy, seamless collaboration between students or between the teacher and students and the students. The creator of the file must simply click the share button in the corner, type in the email address of whom they wish to collaborate with, and that person receives a link that takes them directly to the file. From then on, both parties can see all changes made in the document and can even see when the other person is actively working on the project. The Google Chromebooks can be purchased from Google directly for $20 per month of each device. For our 200 10th to 12th grade students, this would amount to $40,000 a month. The cool thing about this plan is that every 3 years, the school gets a new set of Chromebooks, but still keeps their old ones at no additional cost. Therefore, your supply doubles every 3 years at no more than the original price. All of the nice apps I described for you come free on every device, as do the Google accounts needed to use them. Because of the doubling supply, I propose we start with a smaller number than 200. I believe the best plan at the moment would be purchasing 80 Chromebooks for a total of $1,600 a month. Then, in just 6 short years, you will have enough devices for every student. In the meantime, you separate the 80 devices into 4 groups of 20, which you put into a media cart. Each media cart stays in a central location and can be rented out by teachers on a first come, first served basis. There should be limitations on this, though, such as maximum number of days in a row and days in a week/month. The advantage of implementing this technology are almost too numerous to name. In addition to the positive outcomes for the students, they get to learn new technology, they're better prepared for their futures, and can easily collaborate with one another on an online project, and have a world of resources at their disposal. There are also many, many positive outcomes for the teachers who use the devices. For instance, they too have a multitude of resources available to them on the internet, plus all of the assignments, graded work, and collaborations are consolidated onto the Google Classroom platform, making them easy to locate and analyze. Analyze. Lastly, if you need anything else, transitioning into an online classroom is simply economical. It saves paper and it saves time. And that is the end of my mobile computing proposal. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope you all have a nice day. Bye.